All right, everybody, I have my iPad here, and I'm going to show you how to use the Grammar-based website to its fullest potential. We're going to open up Safari, and I already have it kind of memorized in here for me, but it's grammarbase.com. You can just go ahead and figure out how to hit enter there. You're good to go. And then you have this little text box here, and I already had gone to a Google Doc, and I highlighted everything, and I copied. So now all I have to do is tap there twice and hit paste, and then let's hide that for a second, and you can see I already have the text in there. You can hit this little button here that says start checking. And when you first start checking, you have all these little mistakes that are going to be showing up over here. Do not start just fixing them. Do not fix your mistakes. Don't correct them right here. You need to see what your mistakes are, and you're going to record what those mistakes are and see what you can, what you mess up on regularly. So first thing you can do is look over here on the left-hand side for the overall thing. You have, like this particular person needs to make I uppercase 21 different times. Maybe that's something you need to focus on a little bit more. There's some spelling issues, 9 different issues with spelling, some punctuation, a couple of different things with punctuation, but for the most part, punctuation is pretty good on this particular piece. And I would suggest using your rough draft in here rather than your final draft, because your final draft, you've already started doing some of that checks. So try and use your rough draft here might be the best thing. What you need to do to check out exactly what it is here, so like I'm, let's see this first one right here where it says I'm. You just tap on it once, and it pops up there. It says make I uppercase. Okay, that's all I need to do. And you can hit next, and it'll bring you to the next one. This is a redundant expression. Now, it doesn't tell you a whole lot there, but redundant basically means it's not necessary. So it felt like it, but I'm too scared to check. You could probably just stop right there and say it's too scared to check. Right now, you can just get rid of the right now. That's kind of what that's talking about specifically. But again, don't change those sorts of things. Just try and recognize what they are. And if you wanted to just tap on another one and you're trying to tap on another one here, it's not going to recognize it. So you need to close that, and then you can tap on another one and it should pop it up. Now I am going to show you real quick what it looks like a little bit on a Chromebook, because I have here on my own website here. I started doing it on my own. Let's see, let's find the right tab here. Grammar check. There we go. I had one that I created. I start checking new. And then now if I click on it and I hover over it, it has possible changes. And I can go correct with Grammarly. You can't do this on the iPad, but this is really awesome because if you do it on a Chromebook, it comes out a little bit more clearly, and you can give some examples here. So right here it says, it appears that you have an unnecessary comma in a compound predicate. What? Consider moving it or removing it. And then if you click the down button, it explains a lot more. It gives you a lot more examples. There's a lot more options here if you were to use it on a Chromebook. But yeah, that's basically it. And what you need to do is when you have these errors, you figure out what you're messing up on the most, simple errors or whatever it may be, you need to write those mistakes down in your personal proofreading checklist. So that way you can remind yourself that, hey, I consistently forget to capitalize my I's. And I need to check every single I in there and make sure I need to capitalize it or not. And you'll write that down in the little personal proofreading checklist I have for you. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.